All right, my people, now welcome back onto this channel. Well, no be small something. No, still on the matter, my brother, my sister, Yoruba nation. No going back. Exactly waiting to be. Exactly waiting the people them they talk about it. All right, too many people don't come outside. Everybody don't they para. Onto waiting. The Tinubu government can they talk. Everybody can they say, Oga, which kind nonsense be this one? We be say you can't they tell us who you did deceive. According to waiting. The presidency, the Tinubu presidency don't talk according to waiting then they talk about then say like this so say then don't rescue about 4,600 hostages and then they even buy over 9,300 hostiles, arrested more than 7,000 terrorists and bandits in 1 year. This one now the government of Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Now them talk this one. Onto all this one, we be say they can't talk. Everybody can't they para. Say which kind nonsense be that? Who is deceiving who? Now do all this thing. Now him people still they cry up and down for this country. Now him people still they cry up and down for this country. Baba God, now your hand with them. Onto this statement, he added that more than 7,000 terrorists and bandits were arrested by security operatives and about 30,000 new police personnel were recruited by the government during this period. And now the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu administration, according to waiting that they talk, says it prioritized security in its first year in power. According to the administration, he said the administration made this assertion in an executive summary issued on Wednesday, saying over 4,600 citizens were rescued from terrorists then in 12 months. My brother, my sister, where that one for happen with all the people we be say they don't buy everywhere. We be say we fat we know the hear any news. Why we no can they see them? Many people now then they cry up and down. Say their people don't lose it. And then now they even they let us they know say the presidency then they look away with the way we be say then they kidnap people for road every day. Now as we they talk, many people now they don't talk say they no go they pass that road again because see, every now and then the rest of mind in no day Nigeria don't pafuka make it no they deceive ourselves. Everybody don't come outside. They say which kind nonsense be this? Unto the late waiting then they talk. They say the statement added that more than 7,000 terrorists and the bandits were arrested by security operatives. Everybody come the para say I mean say una arrest all those people 7,000 of them. Where una come put them? Where una put all these 7,000 people? Because if una say una arrest all these people, where them day? Because for all our road now people know the rest now every day then they buy people now every day then they tiffy people for road all these 7,000. Why una they lie? In fact, somebody don't come outside say this a government no go ever better for una for all this lie. We be say una they lie. As far as this country is concerned everybody don't shout say this a government now the worst one. We be say they don't ever see for the surface of earth. My brother, my sister, waiting the sup. Now everybody come the verse say why be say all these people safe they know they fear God. Now this government is a God punishment to Nigerians. This one are waiting Kenneth Osaka. He don't talk onto this level. Okay, onto this one, Felix Emmanuel say, well, are you talking about the success recorded in the whole West Africa or Nigeria alone? Baba, make you go pack one side because all this one where you they talk by the time we be say everybody don't wake up, don't ready for you. You go no say khaki. You know be leather. Just push us to the wall. May you can't see film. Forget waiting happen for this answer. So because now all Nigerians see they watch, then they look, then they see say you know one get sense abi. Now everybody they para onto this level. So people really voted this mess. Okay, that one another one we be say Kenichi don't talk about. Well, according to Joe, he say well I am sure Soyinka is among the team that made this analysis because this analysis is not correct at all according to Joe Ogwigi. Okay, if all the numbers you mentioned is true, Now how many people go come remain for north o? Because we know say all this thing na big lie. God go punish you this evening for all this one wey be say you come dey let us dey hear. Well, e no go better for your generation since you chose to cause pain for the masses. My brother, my sister, you know say we don't talk this thing. If you still dey out there, you dey shout to one Nigeria. Everybody now, they don't wake up say na only Yoruba nation na im go fit do am. Yes, so if you believe in Biafra, fine, make una find una way. Thank God say all the Hausa people now, all of them, they don't wake up onto this level. Say like this, so say themselves, they no one wait for anybody again. Say there's nothing like one Nigeria. All those ones where they shout to restructuring, say then they on their own. No, my brother, my sister, everybody high don't sharpen. You they tell us say you don't arrest all the terrorists. They talk many things. We be say you know they jail at all, and the people now they don't see many gbege. We be say it don't happen unto them since this regime begin. Now everybody now don't they talk am say like this. So make everybody, all of us, make we cooperate. Both the Hausa, both the Igbo, both the Yoruba, all of us make we cooperate. Make we pursue these people come out because they know they even they do anything we be say it go favor us at all. If we continue to say we want to fight ourselves, then at the end of the day, now we go still the suffer am because all these government people they no send us at all. When I hear that one, I can't dey shock say na Hausa people na them be the one wey be say they come dey talk say make all the Yoruba and the Igbo make them come make everybody gather together to take fight these people. Well, my brother, my sister, now waiting with the talk be that e go reach one time. Babalawo Lowo don talk am say e go reach one time. Say now una go fight for una self, either una like am or not. Now, according to wetin dey sup, the federal government don talk say they don try their best to make sure say they arrest all the people wey be say they cause gbege for inside obodo Nigeria, and everybody come dey talk say which kind talk be that one? If una say una rescue about 4,600 and una kpai about 9,300 of this bad people, where because where una come say una kpai them wey be say every baba thing still dey happen for inside this obodo, and some people come dey talk say no be only this one sef, say hunger it don't become the order of the day for this country. Say now only Baba God na him go help us with all this lie we be say then they lie. Say make them no worry, make them continue, but one day go be one day. Monkey he go market, you know go come back. My brother, my sister, many things don't sup. President Tinubu comprehensive security strategies address the root causes of insecurity, aiming to create a safer environment where citizens can live without fear. Okay, everybody don't talk. So all this one we be say una they talk, na just mouth, una they make, una don't talk this thing pass yet nothing happen. Okay, now everybody come dey let us they know say the best if you still dey out there you dey shout one Nigeria, make you stop am now, because one Nigeria can never take any man anywhere. So now for everybody to go separate ways, so make we go our separate ways. Na him be the cocoa, na him be the thing wey be say e go help us as we be human beings. So well, my brother, my sister, now the thing wey be say they reach us now be this. Well, say make a let una know as they hot and as they gbona. All right, my brother, my sister, until I come on our way next time, I say on a bye for now.